Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question, is Quickbase part of Microsoft? This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm always happy to answer it. So, let's get started. What is Quickbase? Before we can answer the question of whether or not Quickbase is part of Microsoft, we need to understand what Quickbase is. Quickbase is a low-code application development platform. It allows users to create custom business applications without having to write any code. This makes it a great option for businesses of all sizes. What is Microsoft? Microsoft is a multinational technology company that produces software, hardware, and services for personal computers and other digital devices. It is one of the largest and most influential technology companies in the world. Is Quickbase part of Microsoft? The answer to this question is no. Quickbase is not part of Microsoft. Quickbase is owned by a company called Acumatica. Acumatica is a cloud-based ERP software provider. Why is this important? It's important to understand that Quickbase is not part of Microsoft because it can affect your decision to use Quickbase. If you are looking for a low-code application development platform that is integrated with Microsoft products, then Quickbase is not the right choice for you. However, if you are looking for a low-code application development platform that is flexible and easy to use, then Quickbase is a great option. How can you use Quickbase with Microsoft products? Even though Quickbase is not part of Microsoft, you can still use it with Microsoft products. There are a number of ways to do this, such as using the Quickbase Microsoft connector, using the Quickbase Microsoft Office integration, using the Quickbase Microsoft Dynamics integration. In conclusion, Quickbase is not part of Microsoft. It is a low-code application development platform that is owned by Acumatica. Quickbase can be used with Microsoft products, but it is not integrated with them. If you are looking for a low-code application development platform that is integrated with Microsoft products, then Quickbase is not the right choice for you. However, if you are looking for a low-code application development platform that is flexible and easy to use, then Quickbase is a great option. Thank you for watching.